Yes, Akash, what is happening today over here?
I am one of the residents over here, Vengani Valley. All this work is happening on Vengani beach, and the work is being done by the neighborhood hotel, which is over here, which everybody knows. They have claimed that they are preventing erosion of the beach by repairing this wall. But it is clearly visible that they are not repairing, they are constructing a wall. It looks like a new construction also, so they have to take permission of local authority. Village Panchayat has not issued any permission. Town and country planning has not issued any permission. We have asked for the permission. All these authorities have said no permission. The only valid permission is from 2017, issued by GCZMA. That is for repair of the wall which broke in 2017. After that, they have so-called repaired the wall, and in their own statement they have said it is 125 meters. This full length is much more than 125 meters. We have taken the matter up with the GCZMA. They have said they have issued the permission with 7 conditions. Out of those 7 conditions, there is clear 3 points violation. One is that they have not taken local authority permission of Panchayat. 2 is that they are in the high tide line, which is no development zone. 3 is that they had to use eco-friendly material, they are using concrete. Another violation is that no waste water or waste material should go onto the beach. There is water from the compressor for the piling work where the water is being let out onto the sand. So there only the violation of 3-4 points of their 7-point permission has been violated. Apart from that, we had asked the GCZMA to have an inspection, which they have conducted, after which the expert panel who conducted the inspection said this is a new construction of concrete which is violating the permission, and the expert opinion is that it should be demolished and the beach should be restored. After that, based on that inspection report, show cause notice was issued to the said neighborhood hotel. After that, they had time to submit the document and a hearing was supposed to happen. The hearing was scheduled for 6th May. When we went there, it was postponed to today. Now today morning we have gone there, we have been told that at 3:30 the hearing will take place. We have also filed a writ petition in the High Court because as per the law, the authority should be taking action. But the authorities themselves are turning a blind eye and passing the buck from one authority to the other, Panchayat to GCZMA to some other authority. And nobody is taking action while this hotel is doing what they want. Our main concern as a residents is that the beach should not be destroyed. At the same time, you cannot have concrete like this. The local fishermen also are over here. Their boats, they go into the water. How will they take it over the wall? All of us want to enjoy this beach. Our main intention is to protect the area, nothing else. There is no other intention of ours. In between all of this, the concerned hotel also is trying to delay the matter with all authorities. So we just want justice for the beach. That is our main concern, nothing else.
What about, have you approached the local MLAs and...
We have approached the local MLA of Talegaon. We have approached the Panchayat. The MLA is still to get back to us. The Panchayat has told us, yes, the Panchayat also came with GCZMA for inspection. And they have also noted that and clearly mentioned over there that no permission has been taken from them. So if this work started in 2017, then 2021, 4 years no Panchayat permission, Panchayat should issue stop order. Panchayat has told us go to GCZMA and go to tourism department. The beach is owned by tourism department. We have written a letter to tourism department also. If you are a hotel which claims to be a neighborhood hotel which is owned by Goans themselves, how can they allow such a thing to happen? Majority of this beach is used by locals as well as guests of the mentioned hotel. If you are a true Goan, you wouldn't let this happen. We are just over here fighting for what is right, nothing else.
Finally, what impact it would have on the ecosystem and
these are
on the beach
long-term repercussions. They are digging the beach. Now just imagine microorganisms, small crabs which are there in the sand, that it will affect them. Even by digging on the beach and constructing something like this, has a study been undertaken? Environmental assessment impact? No. We don't know what is going to happen. I am not an expert. The expert panel from GCZMA themselves have said that this is not good for the beach and it should be restored. They are the experts. I am not an expert. I am just a local resident looking out and requesting the authorities to take action. The law is what you say on our side, but the enforcement agencies are not following the law. That is the sad part. That is why all of us are over here today and for the last 1 month requesting the authorities. We have written to all the departments, collector's office, we have written to the MLA, we have written to village panchayat, GCZMA, tourism department, all concerned. And we are just waiting action. Now we have filed a writ petition in High Court because they are not enforcing the law. So the writ petition is for them to take action as per their government duties, the duties of the government. As per the government duties, they should be enforcing the law. Not people like us as locals. We can bring it to their side and then they should.
माझे नाव उल्हास नावेलकर. हांव एक नुस्तेकार. ज्या रितीन हांगासर जे काम चालू आसा, ज्या रितीन हांगासर जे काम चालू आहा, ते काम करता त्या प्रमाणे अशें दिसता की आमच्या नुस्तेकार आमी जे भाव नुस्तेकार भाव आहा, जे आयज आमी हांगासर फोटी लायलेले आसा, जेन्ना उदक हाय टायड जाता पळय तेन्ना जे कंप्लीट ते तेका वचोन वयर टच जाता तेन्ना आमच्यो बोटी कितें करपाचें आमी? लो टायड उदक जाता तेन्ना आमी एडजस्ट करूंक शकता, जेन्ना हाय टायड जाता तेन्ना कितें करतले? आनी आमच्यो बोटी जर अशें जाय जाल्यार आमी नुस्तेकार आमी बोटींचेरूच जगता म्हणल्यार जाता. हेच नुस्तें व्हरोन आमच्या फॅमिलीक चलयता.
आयज कितें चल्लां हांगा?
हे इंचे इल्लिगल हांगा कन्स्ट्रक्शन वॉल बांदपाचें काम चल्लेलें आसा. हे वॉलीक लागून आमकां त्रास जातलो. तिंका पडलेलें ना सांगचें म्हणल्यार. तिंच्या फाटल्यान कोणा गॉड फादराचो हात आहा तें आमकांय खबर ना. ते इतले दबावान काम करता. येदें व्हडलें पॅन्डेमीक आयज चालू आसतना ते ह्या भाशेन बिंदास आपलें काम चालू करता. म्हणजे ते कोणाक भियना. म्हाका इतलें सांगचें,
तुमी कोर्टान बी अप्रोच जाल्लेले?
आमचें जे रितीन आमी कितें कंप्लेनी म्हण कोर्टा कडेन पावोंक जाय तितलें आमी चालूच आहा आमचें काम. आमचें कितें काम चालूच आहा. तरी पूण हें तें न आयकता आपलें काम चालू केलेलें आसा.
आतां फुडलो कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन कितें तुमचो? कितें करतलो तुमी?
पळय आतां फुडले कांय स्टेप घेतले ते आमी मागीर सांगतले तुमकां कशें कितें करतले तें. पूण म्हाका ह्या तुजी मिडिया थ्रू म्हाका एकूच सांगचें दिसता, हें आयज चल्लां पळय हितून आमचे नुस्तेकार भाव आमी सोंपतले. आमकां
वॉल घातल्यार तुमकां कसो त्रास जातलो?
वॉल घातले म्हणटा हायट येतली आमकां ते बोटी मागीर आमचे व्हडें वयर लावंक दिवचें ना. ते सकयलूच लाय म्हणटाले. सकयल जेन्ना लायतले तेन्ना आमकां इतू जाण सांगचें म्हणल्यार तें उदक वयर कितलें मारता तेन्ना आमचे व्हडी लुकसाण कोण भरतलो? त्या बरें आमकां आमची सेफ्टी आसलेली तशी जाय बस. आनी काय इतलें न्हू. थँक्यू.
बेळगांव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याचबरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.